be cool.
You've got a big bro.
Big bro? Big no. Nova doesn't need a big brother. She already has a little sister. Me? I don't want a brother. He's a boy. A boy brother. Ugh. And worse, he's a Johnarchy. A boy Johnarchy brother. And now I'm nervous tapping. Because I'm nervous.
You know, Johnarchy and the Monarchy are playing Festanable. Maybe you could go see him there. Oh, you'd get on great.
Or I could go and demand he stop being my brother. To the festival. Come on, Nova. If we're going to the festival, you need to get some wellies on. Out there? With the mud? No way. We've come all this way and we're not going out.
I love festivals. They don't have anything you can think of. Only inflatable.
Eco-friendly plastics.
Ah, come on now, Digit.
It's mad because I wanted to visit the second-hand yo-yo stall.
We went to Teas of the Universe. Twice. You can't be huffy with the world's best captain.
No! Mud! Whoa! Hey! Whoa!
Help! I'm doing awesome.
That, Johnarchy. And where are the Monarchy today?
They went out to buy loo roll.
That looks familiar.
Oh yeah, it's one of your old hair clips. I bought it at the Nova Jones memorabilia charity auction. So what do you think? Sis?
I think I don't want a brother. I don't need a brother, so stop being it right now. The sibling vacancy has been filled. Full, way full, to the brim, maximum capacity.
Sorry. The test says I'm your cool new bro, whether you like it or not.
Fine. I or not like it.
Got the tune of the century and no one else competes. 'Cause you're not awesome. I'm awesome.
How amazing was that? Brilliant, amazing, the best thing ever.
It's such a waste not to perform in front of an audience.
I suppose it is cruel to keep this all to myself. Perhaps I could do a quick show.
Oh, and Johnarchy, you can perform with me. Yes, an exclusive impromptu sibling show.
I'd love to perform beside you.
Behind me. Perform behind me. So, we're going to the festival? No. Mud.
We'll do it from the Jefferson stage, and then the whole festival will see what an amazing sister I am.
We don't need to compete. We don't need to fight for attention. Always looking out for me. He knows he got me to protect him. He always got my back. Yeah, he keeps me on track. Nothing gonna break our family. A friendship unshakable. A loyalty unbreakable. We got that same DNA. It won't ever fade. Yeah, we got a bond that you'll never break. We got that same DNA. Yeah, we always say. Yeah, we got a love growing every day.
And when I got a problem, I know she can turn it around. And when I need attention, she can pick me up when I'm down. She always got my back. Yeah, she keeps me on track. And nothing's gonna break our family.
A friendship unshakable. A loyalty unbreakable. We got that same DNA. It won't ever fade. Yeah, we got a bond that you'll never break. We got that same DNA. Yeah, we always say. Yeah, we got a love growing every day.
Tifa, step back. My limelight.
Indeed. And now, for the first time ever, it's my youngest sister on the drums, Miss McLaren!
Whoa, check out McLaren, Digit.
Hey, Spacergram. I'm here with my awesome brand new little sis at Festainable.
Music, organic candy floss, solar power rides, refillable water cups, and... What's that sound?
Look at McLaren's happy face. No idea it's about to be Splat City.
And how are you liking your first festival?
It's good. But, well, it's not exactly as I imagined.
How could this be any better?
I always thought I'd go to my first festival with Nova. She's not here, so it feels, I don't know, less fun.
Oh, I feel... What's that feeling?
Guilt. You're feeling guilt.
Yeah!
Now you're feeling surprise. But the guilt will come back.
Huh? My mud pack must be wearing off. I'm ruining McLaren's first festival.
I know.
Launch in 5 minutes and 8 seconds.
And I'm about to ruin it even worse. Cancel takeoff. I don't want to spoil the festival. I don't want to modify McLaren. It'd be a fate worse than Splat.
Launch in 3 minutes, 9 seconds. I don't know how to cancel takeoff. You captain will have to do it. Is new cap long?
What? Is new captain deflating?
Whoa, you really can get inflatable anything at festivals.
So my ship is being piloted by a whoopee cushion? What are we gonna do?
Buckle up. After all, it's not like you're gonna go out there and grab a hold of the Jefferson and hold on tight enough to stop it taking off. To do that, you need to be super strong. And I mean super strong.
Mud makes me super strong. More mud. Where can I get a lot of mud, like, right now?
Oh, Nova! There's loads of mud ice! Launch in... Oh, 1 second. Blast off. I know how you feel! Something's stopping the ship taking off. It's Nova! She's using the power of mud to hold back the ship.
No. There's no power in mud. That's ridiculous. She's using the power of sisterly love to stop the ship.
No, it's this key card here.
Launch successfully cancelled. Mud wave averted.
That was incredible! Yes, I've saved the festival! So, everything's back the way it was. Captain Nova will be wanting to leave now.
Leave? McLaren? I didn't save the whole festival from a muddy mudside just to leave. I saved it to experience it. With you. Johnarchy took an interest in you. Encouraged you. Did the things that you wanted to do.
And I'm so glad to have a new hobby, Johnarchy.
Point is, Johnarchy might not be my brother, but he can still be a brolfuddle.
Wait, what's a brolfuddle?
Oh, just something Sid said. You really had to be there.